Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a great personality is with us. He's a teacher, he's a government teacher. His name is Gajendra Jadal from Maharashtra. Now he is going to share his views, his ideas, his opinion regarding time. How to manage time or time management. Because the time is same for the successful people and the failure. But the way that use that makes
Yes,
everything. So if you use time in a proper way, productive way, possible way, peaceful way, and you have a lot of progress. And if you don't
yes,
use time in a proper way, what will happen? You will fail. So and how to
yes.
use time in a proper way? And now our speaker is here with us, and our Gajendra Jadal sir is going to talk over the time management. Sir, please go on topic, sir. So
Uh,
hearty
well,
welcome.
yes. Good evening, Govind sir. I'm very happy to talk to you here. Today, I'm going to talk about time management, how time management is important. Yes, time management is very important in everyone's life. Once you lost time, it will never come return. We should know how time management is important. Let's talk about what is exactly the time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. Yes. I'm going to tell some tips which are very important in regarding to the time management. Yes. How time management is beneficial for all of us. If you could plan your time with proper way, obviously you can have high level of productivity. If you could set your time with proper way, you can become more productive. Your productivity can be increased wherever you work. Yes. And next tips which I would like to share you here, that less stress. If you could manage your time with proper way, so you don't have to face any kind of the tension and stress, because time management helps you to reduce your stress or tension. When you plan your time, definitely you will have more time to do your activities, other activities. So it helps you to reduce your stress as well. Next tips is regarding to the procrastination. As
Yes.
you must have seen that many people, they prefer to postpone their activity because they couldn't manage their time with proper way. While postponing our activity or work, definitely it's irritate you. So it is good not to procrastinate. If you could set your time with proper way, you don't have to face any procrastination problem. So an effective time management is helps it helps to reduce your procrastination as well. And moreover, I would say that if you have good schedule of your time, it helps you to achieve your goal. It helps you to become success in your life. Time management plays a crucial role in everyone's life. We should know the significance of the time management. You might have seen many people, those who could become successful in their life. Why? Because they could manage their time with proper way. They know the how much time importance in their life. If you want to reach to your goal, so you should manage your time. You should give significance to your time. Yes, definitely. I'm sure that you will get success in your life. In regarding to that, I would say that many students, they are holding high place in private sector or government sector in their college day. They have their own schedule. According to that, they don't want to waste their time. They utilize their time with proper way, and finally they could become success in their life. The last but not the least, I would say that time management also boosts your confidence. It's become You can become more proficient if you plan, if you set your time with proper way. If you will have more time to focus on your improvement, definitely you can achieve your goal, and you will be a top of list if you could time your manage in your office or in your work, because of only time management. Yes. And I'm going to tell you some tips which how to manage your time. Or yes, so here, if uh, if you want to utilize your time properly, so make the list of your activities or work which you are going to do in day-to-day life. According to that, you should give significance which work is more importance for me. So give preference to that particular work or activity. Then you can utilize your time properly. And
Yes.
if you are using more social media and it is distracting your life, your time, so log off your social media and keep away phone from you. Definitely you will get to know that how time is important, and automatically you will focus on your study. And third tips, try to say no. No is very important. Whenever your friends or any others relatives, they instigate you to just go away or go to visit any place, or if you don't want to go, so try to say no. Then definitely your entire time will be utilized with the proper way.
Yes.
So these are the tips which are very important. Hope this all the tips and my speech will be helpful for you in your successful life. I'm sure that if you could manage your time properly, definitely you could reach to your goal, and the opportunity will knock your door, and eventually you will get success. So all this is all about today's topic, that is time management. So thank you, Govind sir, for calling me to your channel. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir. Yes, sir. One more point I want to add actually. The
Yes,
person
sir.
who understands the importance of time in life is constantly
Yes.
moving towards progress. The value of
Yes.
time is
Yes.
more than money, actually.
True. True.
The time is important in the student's life for all. Okay? The time is so powerful that it can make you a king or a beggar. And
Yes.
by using the time wisely, and you will be able to do everything on the time and live good life. Those who don't use time proper way are left with regrets. The time
Yeah. Yeah.
never
Definitely.
discriminates between the rich and the poor. Both the rich and the poor have the equal time. It depends upon who uses it properly and productively and possibly. Then only those can get towards the progress. So thank you for sharing your ideas and thank
Absolutely.
you for coming to my live
Yes.
session. Thank
Yes.
you very much, sir.
Yes.
Gajendra Jadal
Absolutely
sir.
right, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye, bye, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Bye.